Hi, in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to add Google reviews to your Wix.com website. So the first step is to actually go and have a Google Business account. If you don't have one already, search in Google for Google Business and then go to this link right here that says get listed on Google. Here you need to sign up as a business on Google and then you need to get approved. And once everything has been set up, you can move forward with setting up the Google reviews on your Wix.com website. Once you're ready for it, you can go on the website editor here and then go over here in the 4 squares that says add apps. Now you're into the Wix app market and we need to actually search for the app so we can get the Google reviews up. So just search Google reviews like so and then choose this option right here that says Google Reviews Pro. Choose here and now just wait a moment and click add to site right here. And now you just simply need to agree to some terms and conditions right here, agree and add, and then just wait for a second. From here, you need to go and click go to dashboard here and we get taken to the website dashboard on the front menu, on the back end, sorry. Now we need to start setting up the basic settings. So into your email, your business name, the phone number is optional and then the time zone as well. Once you're happy, just click finish setup here. And now we can actually start setting it up. So we need to go to the widget right here and then we need to click connect to your Google page. From here, you need to click connect and a new pop-up should appear where you need to log in with the the Google Business account that you just signed up for. Don't log in with your personal account as it won't work otherwise, so just make sure to log in with the Google account like you would log into a Gmail account. Once that's done, you can go here and update your widget visibility. You can set the widget visibility on your site like so. You can display it on the home page only or on all pages. You can also see how it's going to be displayed. It's going to pop up like so here, so people, they can read all the reviews, or like this. It's really up to you. So they can, see what it's going to look like here. You have also some widget data here that you can go around with. On the basic version, you can only show a couple of reviews at a time. So just choose which ones you'd like to show here. Otherwise, you can also go and upgrade the feature. Once everything is ready, you'll have it on your website and you can also go here and see the statistics of your Google reviews, if there's any new reviews and so on. So let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below and I'll try my best to help you.